Hello and welcome to a short video introducing my new to me 1969 Hoover Jr. Bought on Gumtree from a very lovely man called Tom. Now we're just going to give it a short run. Let you hear how lovely she is. Whoops. Okay. It's best if the power's on. Okay, and that was her there, nose to nose with the other new Junior, which there's 3 videos of already. The only non-original part appears to be the cable, which was replaced as the previous one had frayed. And currently she's not got our headlamp on because we need to get a new bulb. But isn't she beautiful? I'm very pleased to add her to my collection. Another actual real Hoover to add to the Hoover herd. I love how blingy a little Hoover badge is. But yeah, there she is. There's another pair of Hoover Juniors. Only really get the handle visible, but down in that bottom corner is another Hoover Junior next to the Vax and then the Panasonic. Around here behind me I've got a Turbo Light Hoover and a little pull long Hoover. Certainly managing to jam an awful lot of vacuum cleaners into a very small space. But yeah, I just thought I'd put a video up, let people see her, make any requests. I'm thinking about comparing the Juniors that I have, which will mainly be the 3 that are in the picture, as the one at the end and the identical one of the one at the end that I've got. Both of them snap their belts within a few seconds of use, so they need stripped back. The Turbo Light that I have behind me I may include, but while the casing is very similar to the Navy Junior, it isn't a Junior, it's a Turbo Light. So I might compare that to the other Turbo that I've got, which is an Electrolux. Anyway, enough chattering on, just, yeah. A few wee scuffs on and we'll get that cleaned up. Might try and whiten up the plastic. But yeah, original bag, banana shaped bag. Says Hoover. I've been warned of washing them as apparently the letters fall off. Anyway, that's that. Hope you've enjoyed this short little video of my newest family member. Take care everyone. Bye.